Travelers are being warned to stay alert, but not to be alarmed following a state of natural disaster being called before the impending eruption of Bali's Mount Agung. Experts say the level of seismic activity now occurring at Mount Agung have reached a record high, leading to extreme precautionary measures being taken by the island's governor. Following protocol, after the issue of a state of natural disaster, authorities on the island must make it a priority to create shelter for the thousands and thousands of evacuees. Mount Agung, known for its beauty and making a claim as the highest point in Bali, the volcano has been worrying officials since August. People are being told to stay at least 9 km for the volcano. Travelers are being told to exercise a high degree of caution if traveling to Bali at this time. Jetstar and Qantas are closely monitoring volcanic activity at Mount Agung, and at this time, all flights to Bali still operating as scheduled. Jetstar released the following statement: "Our pilots and meteorologists will continue to monitor the latest information from the Volcanic Ash Advisory Center, and we will contact customers individually if there are any changes to our services." Mount Agung, an active volcano in Karangasem Regency in East Bali, has shown recent increased volcanic activity. Local authorities have temporarily suspended all outdoor activities such as hiking and camping activities in proximity to the crater. Monitor local media reports and follow the instructions of local authorities. An eruption of Mount Agung could impact air travel in the region. Contact your airline or tour operator to confirm travel plans. See additional information. The overall level of this advice has not changed. Exercise a high degree of caution in Indonesia, including Bali. Higher levels apply in some parts of the country. For more information, head to Smart Traveler website.